I want to talk about the hidden power of making women chase you. And yes, this does happen. And I know what you're going to say. Let's just talk about the elephant in the middle of the room before I go on, before I waste another of my precious breath. And that is, you're going to say, oh yeah, if you have a lot of money, she will chase you. You're right. The wrong woman will chase you if you have a lot of money. But if you're interested in finding the right woman and being with the right women, then there is a hidden way that you can make them chase you. And I want you to be able to embody what I'm going to share with you, but also be open, like be a little curious that maybe you just don't know everything, that maybe you haven't had women completely figured out as the way you do. Because if you did, then she'd be sitting right next to you and you and I would not be having this moment together. So open up your mind, be a little bit more receptive than usual, and let's make you that man that she's like, damn it, I don't know what it is about this guy, but I just keep coming back. Like, this dude's like my addiction. He's like something I just can't let go of. I'm craving this guy. You actually have that capability. And so I want to talk about what is it that you can do to set you apart from all the other men. And that is when you start showing up as a man who has really taken the time to embody his own desire and facing himself and being super honest about who he is, what he brings to the table, and what he wants. Let's recap on that. Who he is, what he brings to the table, and what he actually wants. There's nothing more irresistible than a person, a man or a woman, who has really taken the time to figure out who the fuck they are. When someone has really investigated and they go, listen, I am a person who shows up in the world like this. This is who I am. This is my character. This is the value that I bring into the world. This is the man that I have made myself become. When you've gone through trials and tribulations, and you've overcome them, that is part of your identity. That is part of your character, of who you have become. When you lead, when you share from that experience of who you've become as a man, that first and foremost will change how women see you. But when you don't take full responsibility for all the wonderful things that you've done to evolve as a man, and you just make it like, oh, it's not that big of a deal and everybody does it, what you're telling her is you don't value yourself. You don't value the work that it's taken to become who you are. So why on God's green earth would she take the time to value you? No, you're going to flip the game and you're going to start speaking differently about yourself. Say it with me. I am going to start speaking differently about myself, about who I am, and I'm going to communicate who I am very differently in this world. No longer am I going to put myself down. No longer am I going to minimize all my efforts, but I'm going to stand in my power and I'm going to say, yes, I have overcome these things. I have done these things, and this is the man who I am. This is the man that I face in the mirror every single freaking morning. And when you own that, that is one of the ways that you are going to make her to start chasing you. Here's the second thing, is what I said about the value that you bring. Every single one of us brings different value to the table. But once again, if you undermine what you bring to the table, when you just paint this broad picture of, well, everybody does that, and it's just common knowledge, and a good human being should do that. What you're doing is you're undermining what you actually bring. It could be your empathetic nature. It could be the way that you provide as a man. It could be the way that you're chivalrous. It could be your humor. It could be your sense of adventure. It could be your intelligence. There is so much that you bring to the table, but until you start realizing that about yourself, you will never allow her to see that about you. Now, to really sum all of this up, I have my course called The Desire Code, and I think it is the most powerful course to bring you back to your desirability, because most men don't realize how desirable they truly are. You guys play yourselves way too short, and because you play yourself short, you keep coming empty-handed, and I want you to change that. So get the Desire Code. It's in the comment section. It's in the description. It is going to revolutionize how you see yourself, and when you see yourself in a different light, guess what? She will see you in a different light. She will see you as a man that she desires to be with. So Here's the last thing that I shared with you about being honest about what you want. Don't minimize your desires. Don't minimize the kind of woman you're looking for. Don't minimize the kind of woman you want her to show up as in the relationship. When you start saying any woman will do, guess what? Any woman will show up in your world, and then you have to go through a lot of heartache, a lot of sorrow, getting rid of those women. Why? Because you were opening yourself up to way too many women instead of being super specific about what you want. And I know why people do this. We do this because we're afraid that we're going to lose out on opportunities that are in front of us. But the reality is, the minute that you don't tell the truth about what it is that you actually want, all of those perceived opportunities are just fake. They're facades. They're mirages. They're not the real thing. Getting really true about what you want and being able to communicate that to women will really turn women on. Why? Because you're telling her, you may not be qualified for the job. You may not be qualified to be in my life, and I may not be qualified to be in your life, and that's okay. But at least we have the guts to tell each other what it is that we really want. And that kind of energy she is going to respect. A woman needs to be with a man that she respects, who has confidence in himself. And I do have my free offer of the 7 free exercises to boost your bedroom confidence. So once you've got her, once you've attracted her, she's chased you, and it's time to get to the bedroom, that same confidence needs to translate into the bedroom. And so you can get that for free in the comment section. It's in the description. But the reality is it's really you showing up differently in this world. Let's face it. The way that you're showing up has gotten you zero-sum results of what you have now. If you don't have the woman in your life, if women are not chasing you, let's be honest and call a spade and say something in your life is not working. Something needs to be disrupted in your life. Something has got to change. And the change always starts with you. The change always starts with me. And by you willingly saying, I have got to show up in this world different because the way I'm showing up is not bringing in the kind of women that I want. And I choose to be the forerunner in my life. I choose to show up differently. And this is how I am going to do it. So I hope that this really resonated. If it did, if this lit you up, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and I will see you in my next video. Watch this. It's going to support you. It's going to help you transform, and it's going to bring more women into your life.